say.
Hey, Mr.
I
Shad.
put a bid on it. If I win, this is what I'm gonna do.
I'm videoing for Mr. Shad. Okay, so we've got we are working on the rot in the decks or deck, and turns out it's pretty straightforward. We had some rot in this. Where's my finger? There it is. Some rot in some minor rot in this frame right here. So we've epoxied in a new piece of Douglas fir, and then over here we had mahogany ribs. So we've put in a new piece of mahogany, and you can see it's scarf jointed. And then I'm sure there's a sister frame on the other side. And then we replaced a portion of this rib on the end. Looks like he's got probably a little something to do up here on the end of this as well. And then we'll make new tongue and groove planks to go on the top here. And these planks are Douglas fir. So I thought they might have been cedar, but they, from the smell, they're Douglas fir. So anyway, we're getting those planks made. So that's the rot repair. And we've spent about 1/4 of the budget, so I'm going to guess that we'll come in under budget on that. Let's see. Next is see, I guess I need to look at what we did to the interior. I know that we've been in the interior in here and pulled the windows out and a panel out right here so that we could make the repairs to the stringer and to the rib and so forth, or stake, actually, not rib. What looks like a rib is actually a stake when it's on the side, so I used the wrong term. Let's see, gauges have been removed. The rest of the chrome has been removed. We had a few pieces of chrome that were remaining. They're packed up, ready to go to the chrome shop. What was remaining still in the boat was the gear shift and throttle, and then we also have the switches all packed up. The switches are going to the same lady that restores the gauges. These switches right here we can replace. Those are just push pulls, but there was a little panel on the dash that doesn't use this style of switch, and we're sending those for the gauge lady to take apart and send off for rechrome and so forth. Let's see. So that was the additional chrome removal, and of course the gauges have been removed as well from the instrument panel, and those have been sent off for rebuilding. I don't know if I showed you pictures of the bottom yet, or a video of the bottom, but the bottom has all been painted the copper bronze color. And we're ready to start to install the engine. We got a little snag that we're working on. We bought an engine with transmission mounted and a wiring harness. And we unpacked the engine to get started putting it in yesterday, and found out that they did not install the transmission. Matter of fact, they didn't even send the transmission for us to install. It's missing from right there. And we don't have a wiring harness. So our purchasing agent, James, our accountant, James, is actually working on getting, he's working with the vendor now, getting those items supplied, figuring out what we're gonna do. So so we'll be looking to install that fairly soon. And let's see, so, and I don't know if we've shown you the final picture on the cleaning and painting of the bilge. So the cleaning took a little longer than expected. We red hotted everything, and all these floor panels, by the way, are painted on the bottom side. These will get whatever flooring that goes on them, so we haven't painted these. But all the insides cleaned out. Here's, you know, what you see between here is the same as what's underneath all the floor panels, and so all that bilge work's done. And I think we got that for a few $100 over the budget. So we should be in good shape. And oh, and the flagpole refinish. Howdy, Scott.
Hey, how about drop that?
Okay, I'm still doing a video. I'll come back to you.
Oh, sorry about that.
That's all right. And so the flagpole has been stripped and refinished, and I believe it's awaiting my assembly of it, but it's right up here. It's actually not awaiting assembly, it's awaiting a final. But here's your flagpole. This is for yet another boat. But anyway, this is yours. All right. Thank you.